Hello guys, it's me again. Welcome back to the channel English with Farshad. Guys, this is the first episode of the food's names in English. Pizza, pizza. Baked flatbread with cheese, tomato sauce, and other toppings on top. Burger, burger. Sandwich consisting of a patty, usually beef, in a bun with condiments. Sushi, sushi. Japanese dish of vineyard rice with raw fish and vegetables. Pasta, pasta. Italian noodles made from durum wheat and served with sauce. Salad, salad. Mixture of veggies, sometimes with dressing, either raw or cooked. Steak, steak. Slice of meat, typically beef, cooked by grilling or frying. Chicken wings, chicken wings. Chicken wing portions deep fried or baked and coated in sauce. Fries, fries. Deep fried potato strips, often served as a side dish. Tacos, tacos. Mexican dish with folded or rolled tortillas filled with meat and toppings. Ice cream, ice cream. Frozen dessert made from milk, cream, sugar, and flavors. Cheese, cheese. Dairy product made from curdled milk, used in various dishes. Sandwich, sandwich. Food item consisting of two bread slices with fillings in between. Soup, soup. Liquid dish made by boiling meat, vegetables, or grains. Cake, cake. Made with butter, eggs, sugar, and flour. This is a sweet baked dish. Cookies, cookies. Small sweet baked treats, often with chocolate chips or nuts. Donuts, donuts. Fried dough confectionery, often ring-shaped and glazed. Pancakes, pancakes. Flat cakes made from butter and fried, served with syrup. Waffles, waffles. Butter-based cakes cooked in a waffle iron, served with toppings. Burrito, burrito. Mexican dish with a flour tortilla wrapped round fillings. Lasagna, lasagna. Italian dish of layered pasta sheets, cheese and sauce. Ramen, ramen. Japanese noodle soup dish with broth and toppings. Curry, curry. Dish with meat or vegetables cooked in a spicy sauce. Omelets, omelets. Dish of beaten eggs cooked with fillings like cheese or veggies. Rice, rice. Edible grains harvested from certain grass species. Bacon, bacon. Cured pork meat, usually fried or grilled. So guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoy it and understand it well. Keep up with me for the next chapters.